This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about salad tongs, specifically these CaterTech clear plastic salad tongs. They're 11.5 inches long, and they're approximately 2 3/4 inches wide. They're made of a durable and strong plastic for an attractive and very functional disposable option that works for salads and a variety of other dishes. You can see they have a great scissor design here, so they're easy to use for your guests or your employees, and it also means that those two pieces can't get separated. So one of them can't walk off to another part of the buffet, leaving people unable to dish things up. So they're fantastic for that reason too. They feature a spoon on one side and a fork on the other for easy gripping of a variety of different types of items. They're great for regular salads, for pasta or fruit salad, and even other dishes and things like bread or dinner rolls. They can be washed and reused, or they can be tossed for easy post-event cleanup. And they're also made from recyclable plastic, meaning they can go in the recycle bin. Perfect for use in restaurants, at buffets, for catered events, or just at home for a weeknight dinner or your next party.